My name is Chris White. I'm a mucosal melanoma survivor and I am a TIL therapy recipient. I'm here at Advanced Therapies Week because I follow Phacilitate, and it is my mission to spread exactly what it is that they are doing within the cell and gene therapy world, that these are curative treatments. And as a TIL therapy recipient, I want to be a part in sharing that with both the industry and with the patient population. Getting people together to handle these challenges within the cell and gene therapy world is so important because these are new and novel treatments, and there's so much going on that to get everybody together and figure out a way to reduce all the time that it takes to get these treatments to patients is extremely important because these are curative treatments. My hope for the future for cellular gene therapies is these will get their approvals, they will get to patients, and the populace will know that these are out there and that these should be first line options for them because they create quality of life along with the quantity of life.